What up, guys? On this channel, we talk about crypto mining, crypto airdrops, and other investments based on crypto. But this is not a financial advice, it's just to find a way to make money together online. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to perform the KYC1 and KYC2 tax, and also some bonuses you can receive from signing in as a new user. And I've posted this on my Telegram channel yesterday. So if you've not joined the Telegram channel, you can use this opportunity to join the Telegram channel because I post daily updates there even before I make videos for them. This is what I've mined so far, and you can see on the left hand here we have the bonus, and on the right we have the node. I'll be showing you all those tools in a minute. And coming down here, you can see we have accounts, we have team, and we have the rights. So I'll be showing you all those three too. So now let's start with the account. So on the account now, you can see we have here, I have the total balance, which is the arriving atos. The arriving atos mean if you invite a friend and the friend has not done their KYC1, so this will be showing arriving. It won't drop in your wallet yet. And you can see here we have the unlocked, we have the locked. So these are unlocked and this is still the lock. So if you're registering for the first time, when you come over here to the USDT withdraw, you'll be having almost like $5 there because they are giving you $5 for free for registering this period. And also coming over to the team here, you can see I have like 25, but 3 have passed their KYC1 and 22 are still yet to pass their KYC. So I'll be showing you how to pass your KYC on this video. And for the right over here, these are things you need to purchase, so which I won't be going much into it. So for the bonus here, when you invite a friend and a friend pass their KYC1, when they are giving the $5, also you too will be gaining some little bonuses here. So this is where you claim it. The bonus will be floating. All you just do is just tap on it and there you have it. So, and if you want to invite friends, all you do is just click on the invite new users to join Atoshi, and there you get your referral link from there too. And for the node here, to be qualified for the node, you need to have minimum of 1 million atos, and after that you need to refer even more than 100 plus friends to get into the node. But if you get into the node, you'll be getting 10 times of what you get on the norm. You can see here. So if you have the requirement for the old users, you can go on to submit your request. Clicking on the menu now, you can see the KYC status. So I've not even passed my KYC1. So to pass a KYC1 is very simple. So the first thing to do here is upload a profile picture. So I'll be doing that right now. You can see I've passed that. So the second thing here is security circle. So I have 4 already. So to add in one more person, it's quite easy. So if you have a referral, it's more easy. But if you don't have a referral, all you do is just you can chat me up on the Telegram. So I'll give you some referrals you can add up for this security circle. Don't forget to like the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Let's go back into the video. But because I have referral, it's more easy. So all I'll do now is just go over to my team. I want to use the first person here, so I'll just click on this small sign here. I can see its email, so I'll just copy it and click on confirm. So I'll go back straight to my KYC status here. So once I get there, I'll be clicking on that security circle. So all I'll do is add existing user. So I'll just paste what I copied. That's the email of the person, then I'll search. So once I click on the search, you can see it's brought out the person here. And I'll just nicely click on the add. So once I add this now, I have 5 security circles already. So when I click on the back, you can see now that I've passed the first and the second. So I've passed my KYC level 1. That is very easy. So for the level 2, not everybody will receive this KYC level 2 if you're just starting. So but for the long time users like us, we're receiving the KYC level 2 also. So if you receive it, you're lucky. So the first thing you do is click on all these 3 things. Make sure you read them well before you click on them. So and you can see here, agree to pay 200 unlocked atos. That is just the atos that have been unlocked. I want to pay 200 from it. So the first thing here is your country. The second is your name. The third one is your ID. That's which ID are you using? Is it your passport or your ID card? So basically, if you're using ID card, just type in ID card. The next one here is the date of birth. So just select your date of birth. Make sure it's the correct one because you're snapping your passport or your ID to them. So make sure it's the correct one. So now, this step 1 here is to snap the front of your ID, and the step 2 is snap the back of your ID. That is straight. So the step 3 here is a little bit confusing but very easy. So all you do is just bring out a paper, then write on the paper exactly what is written here, but edit with your name. You can see here, example, my name is John Hughes. So your name is not John Hughes. So you just write my name is so, what your name is, you write it there. The name that is appearing on the ID you want to paste, so you write it over there. And don't forget, I'm from USA. You're not from USA. If you're not, just write your country there and just follow all the other process. Just write everything as you can see there. You can even click on this example right here. So when you click on the example, it's going to show you the exact words to write. So once you do that, then you snap that also. You snap it very clear. And the fourth one here is, please take a picture holding your ID and also the handwriting. So you must make sure you take those pictures, and also you can click on the example to see the major examples or the major thing to do here. Once that is done here, all you do is just click on the submit now, and you can see I'm under review. So just some few hours now I checked and it has been verified. You can see it over on your screen now. So let me also show you some other things to look out for. It's better you don't skip this video, you don't go out of this video, because you can still learn from this. So go over to the activities here. You can see here that you can join a very good activity and you can make good either Atos, Bitcoin or USDT. So all you do is just click on open the box, but unfortunately there are requirements we have not met yet here. So let me show you the requirements. The first thing is I need to complete my KYC2 first, and the second is I need to invite a friend that will complete his or her KYC2 also. So that I don't know yet, because I've not gotten any friend that completed his KYC2. So without that, I'm not able to participate in this event. Heading up straight to the welfare now, this is where you get your daily check-in, and the daily check-in so we add to your Atos, the one you make weekly. So once you come here, you just click on the check-in. Every time you come, just make sure you check every day. That's 24 hours. So after that, you click on check-in. And other things where you can make more here is the daily tax. So for the daily tax, you can see a lot of videos there to watch to get the daily tax ready. So you can see we have 333 that I have not even watched any. So all you do is just click on to finish. So once you click on to finish, is either they bring you ads or you don't get any ads, and you just get 30 Atos free. So let me show you a sample here now. So you can see when I click on to finish, now I just successfully got one video watched, which I didn't even get any ad. You can see 1/3. So when I clicked on it again, unfortunately I got an ad. So you can just do that. Some you get ads, some you don't get, and you still get your 30 Atos straight. So now you can see I've completed 2. So this is how you just complete all the free daily tax and you get more Atos to your account. So this is just what I want to explain in the video. The KYC1 and KYC2, they're very important. And as you can see, Atos is really doing good. And before you know, I'm sure this coin will definitely blow up. So join now and get 25,000 Atos and also 5 USDT for free registration now. So the promo is still going on. So if you're interested, you can just join now. If you're still with me on this video, I really appreciate. Like the video, click on the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Join the Telegram channel for fast updates. See you all in my next video. Stay always blessed.